Hi guys, today welcome to Rapper 2.0. So today I'm gonna show how to make a ninja star. So just first you can pick between big or small. In this video I'll show big. So first fold this in a perfect square. Okay, so fold this. Make sure the corners are good. Okay. Then from here just flatten it, okay, and make sure it's straight. Then go back, and this axis you can either cut it or fold it and tear it like this. So this is a bit hard folding because okay, yeah, but if it goes a little too little, it might be a problem. So let me just okay, and okay, it's done. So I'll just sharpen it, use my thing and tear it. So this is one way you can do it. Sometimes it tears. So I prefer doing this, but you can prefer it. Keep that away. So now we got a square. This square divide in half. Now again, here you can make two versions, smaller or bigger. So I usually prefer smaller, but right now I'll show you bigger. So again, cut out this. This is for like the smaller one. This is a smaller one because the bigger one needs two A4. Okay. So you got these marks. You can fold it the marks because it's easier. So like this, you have to put one down and one up, opposites. Okay. And then it should be like this. Then fold it like this. It should be like a triangle. Here it should be a triangle. Same thing here except opposite. So in the end it should be like this. Then with the other paper make another, but so like make another one. So yeah, I'll just quickly do this. Okay, just 1 second, but in this do not follow the marks because if you do it might get wrong. Because here only follow one of the marks. Because if you follow the other one, they both will be the same and it will go wrong. So it should be the opposite of the one you made. So you see this mark, do not fold it. Do from down to up. Okay. Then from here up to down. Okay. Then same triangle. One thing is that these both should not be the same. Because if it's the same, it's not gonna work. So it should be like opposite. Okay. Now put these ends like this. Okay. Okay. And then these parts fold it in. Okay, so yeah. Then here tuck it in here. So it should be like in the tip. So open this and then close it. Okay, so then you can flip it and then here do the same thing. Here the first do this, put it inside, make sure it's proper. Okay, then like this it should be. Then here make sure it goes inside. So here's the tricky part. You have to open it without tearing it here. So like this, like okay, like this. Okay, and then fold it and Now behind, do the same thing. The last one gets tricky because it's the last one. Usually a little tear comes here, but if you can make it out, don't. Okay, so like this, and yes. So here's your Manchester. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next channel, my next episode. Bye.